In this video, we're going to discuss three quick, simple, easy tips to help you find OQ reports or OQ certifications within your ISNetworld account. My name is Chris Bayardo with Bayardo Safety LLC here in Houston, Texas. And what we're finding is that lots of people have this issue of not being able to find qualifications in ISNetworld when they know very good and well they've sent the employee for training, and these reports that clients or oil and gas companies are requesting simply aren't showing up. What can we do as users within these accounts or admins within these accounts to troubleshoot and make things a little bit simpler on finding these OQ reports? So let's just jump in. Once you've logged into your ISNetworld account, you're going to be on the home page where you see your dashboard in the middle and this lengthy drop-down menu on the left-hand side of your screen. The first thing I want to target is just simply making sure that all of your data entries for each individual employee are correct. Sometimes we can miss a 4 instead of a 5 or a 7 instead of a 9 when we're entering data for employees, and that's really important, and people just don't stop to double check anymore. So let's get into how do we find the employee information and training. It's right here on the left hand screen. You're going to open that up. You're going to click employees. You are going to then open the employee informations tab, and once the employee information tab is up, instead of trying to enter all this data in the middle, just click this green search button. It's that simple. Once that's opened up, it's going to give you a listing of all of your employees so that you can troubleshoot individually as needed. For example, we'll just start here at the top. We'll take the first employee of the list, and what you want to do, it's simply like proofreading a paper that you would turn in or proofreading an article that you wrote. You want to just double check with their identification, their social security number, their driver's license, the company information. You want to take a couple of minutes and make sure that all of your data entries are correct. Now, as simple as that may be, people misstep all the time, and that's okay. Just make sure you double check it. Another quick tip is the third-party ID section. And what the third-party ID section is built in place for is so that wherever the OQ certifications are garnered, whatever system the employee tests through, it knows how to transfer that data into this big database that is ISNetworld. That's why we utilize the third-party ID sections, and people miss that quite commonly. So again, from the home page, to check third-party IDs, we're going to go to Employee Information and Training. We're going to go to Employees tab. You're going to pull down and click and select Employee Information. Once we've selected the search button, it'll pull up again the employee list. You can then go select a specific employee that you are trying to find their OQ certifications or OQ reports for. And once that is opened, I want you to scroll down. Let's look past the generic information and let's get down to where we will see this employee ID section. We like to always make sure that we have either their ISNetworld ID or their social in that place. And what you're going to find even a little bit further down is this section right here called third-party ID numbers. And that's so that we can tell the data from the training company where to land in this database. So let's go ahead and open the third-party ID numbers tab. Scroll on down. You're going to see all these different certification entities here. You see API certs, you see OQ testing certs, and what you want to do, let's say for example, if the employee took OQSG exams, you're going to want to put their ID number in that third-party section. So again, if they were to test in the NCCER system, you would put that ID number in that system block right there. It's that simple. Make sure once you've done that, you come to the bottom right and click Save, and once you've saved it, now that data knows how to communicate with this system as a database. And again, just a few quick, easy tips. A third one that people miss quite commonly, and we're going to get back to the home page to navigate for this, is something called the project resource assignment. And what that means is companies like Enbridge and Enterprise and Kinder Morgan, they want your workforce assigned to a specific project. And they have generic tabs for that. And the way we're going to check project resource assignment is, again, click on the Employee Information and Training tab. And the second allowable spot is the Project Resource Assignment tab. Go ahead and open that. And once that opens, you will then see a list here of all of the owner clients that you're connected to. In this case, Energy Transfer, Enterprise, ExxonMobil. So if we wanted this OQ report that we're looking for to be an OQ report specifically for Enterprise, we would come here to this Enterprise Products General All Area View Detail Assign Employees button. And when you select that, what it's going to do is essentially allow you to pick and choose which employees you want assigned to that project. So as you can see here, you have quite a few employees that are in the assignment section already, but there's 4 or 5 new employees here that maybe we just uploaded them today, or maybe they just hired in yesterday. Let's go ahead and select all of these employees, and then you want to use this button that says Move Available Employees, and it will shift them over to the right hand side, thus making them available to be able to even so much as run these OQ reports for Enterprise or Kinder Morgan or whomever you choose that you're connected with. And without doing that, people will continue to run OQ reports saying to themselves, I know this employee tested, I know this employee did the performance sections, why is this OQ not showing up? Well, these are just 3 easy steps that you can do as an admin or a user within your company's ISN account that will help you troubleshoot and be a little more efficient in garnering these OQ reports that not only you had the monetary investment for your crew, but you also spent your time getting them uploaded and getting them ready to be out on a job site. That's our 3 easy tips today from Bayardo Safety LLC, and we look forward to talking to every single one of you soon.